Another one of my students' favorite activities is having a puzzle that they have to put together to actually get to the problem. And so you have to actually figure out exactly what the question is in the first place. If you do find a piece that matches, it kind of does this like snappy thing together. Let me find an example here of that. So like these two pieces like snap together, and so you have to put the puzzle together in order to find the actual question. So this is really fun for doing even things like secret messages, stuff like that. So you can actually make your own puzzles. But of course, I use it for academic purposes. You can also have options for how many pieces you want to break it up into, whether or not the pieces are rotated around, so you can make the puzzle harder or easier depending on what you choose. So then once they get all the pieces together, then you have the problem that you can solve. But you could do this a lot of different ways. You could make it a secret message. You could make some other question that obviously doesn't have anything to do with math, but it's just a really cool way to make some of your own jigsaw puzzles.